We are trying to compare that with what is known today with so-called contemporary science. Next, please. Important to note there was that Asthi is not Dushya. One of the Dushya, all other Dhatus, all Sapta Dhatus are Dushya, but Asthi is not Dushya because Asthi does not contain Jaliyansh. If you see the Panchabhautik Sangatana of Asthi, it is Akash and Prithvi. Therefore, it does not have Jal. Rest, all other Dhatus will have Jal Mahabhut. That will have a bearing on the treatment. Now, this is some of the classification according to Sadhya, Sadhya and Yapya. Obese, we have the references of Sthula Pramehi, Balwanahi, Eke, Krishas, Tateka, Paridurbilasht. We have, according to etiology, dietary, we have Sahaj, we have Kulaj Pramehi, we have Apatya Nimittaj Pramehi. Then, based on Vat, Pitta, Kaf, we have Vataj, Pittaj and Kafaj Pramehas. Next, please. Next. This is the classical reference saying that most of these Pramehas will get converted into Madhumeha over a period of time, and that is the stage which is more complicated. Next. So that was just about, I think we can go ahead. If we can go back to that slide, see the kind of prognosis that is described. One which is new, where the person is obese, Kafotha Dash, all 10 types of Kafaj Prameh, where primarily the patient is expected to be little obese. They are Sad. Pittaja Shadiyapya. When it progresses further and the patient has got Pitta symptoms of burning in hands and feet, or maybe the first of the complications is neuropathy, probably you keep on treating and he finds relief in that. Pittaja Shadiyapya. Na sadhya hai pavanat chatushka. By being chronic, it becomes even an obese patient loses weight over a period of 10, 15, 20 years and it becomes Krisha. So over a period of time, Kafaj Prameh gets converted into Vataj Prameh or Madhumeh, and that is the stage when it becomes Asadhya, because that is the stage which is more important from the point of view of complications. Next, please. Complications have been well described in Ayurveda, but they are all over. Something is described in complications of Vataj Prameh, something in Pittaj Prameh. What we understand these complications today, what is important is that we will have to pick and choose from these and try to fit into what are the symptoms that mimic diabetic neuropathy, what are the symptoms that mimic diabetic nephropathy. Therefore, I'll forego these slides. Next, please. Next,